Hi everybody, happy Sunday. I hope everybody's doing great. I don't know why the lighting is so harsh. Today's gonna be a reset video. So I have a lot to do, but I also want to rest at the same time. So I'm gonna try to, okay, the goal is to go to Trader Joe's. Well, I'm going to church, which I'm running late for. And then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna have to cut this video short. And then after Trader Joe's, I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna clean, and try to take a nap, and then get my nails done. So we're gonna try to get all of that done today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a little day in the life.
Check. It's Baptism Sunday!
He loves you. This is the gospel. Hi everybody. I was gonna do a Trader Joe's haul, but I quickly realized that I didn't record anything. So I'm just gonna do it quickly. I got these fruit strips because I love these. Like fruit leather or whatever. I don't know, can't explain it, love them. Then I got chicken shawarma, carne asada, chicken pesto, and another carne asada. This is what my sister got. She got salmon, some yogurts, and whatever. And then I got these flowers, these tulips. And they're gonna put those over there. And then eucalyptus. I got these organic granola bars. And I also got, I've been obsessed with this cheesy bread. So I got the Brazilian cheesy bread and those hold the cones because I love those too. Not the healthiest thing in the world, oops, but it works for me, okay, to treat myself. And then, walk with me. I got this cheese because I tried it in the store and it was sure good. I'm just gonna actually sit you in the fridge. Yeah, so I got this cheese and this salami. My sister got some kiwis, some apples, and I got, oh yes, I got these garlic naan crackers for my lunch. This week I'm gonna have like a charcuterie board situation. But yeah, so that's what I got. So I just got back from church, all over the place. Yeah, so we had baptisms today. And it was just so beautiful. Like I haven't seen a baptism done the way that it was. So that was a really cool first for me. So everyone was like cheering and clapping and just like there was music and it was just so, I don't know, it was just so different and like inviting and it was exciting. Like I was so excited for them, like genuine joy for them. Now you guys are gonna walk with me here. My room, it's been in a worse state than it is right now. That's all I'll say. I still haven't eaten, but I'm gonna wait to eat. I'm gonna get a Korean corn dog today. I'm just gonna tough it out and finish cleaning up a little bit. And I'm just gonna play some music and just get some stuff done, okay? I don't think my nap is gonna happen. I might try, but I'm not feeling that optimistic about my nap, so we'll see. So here we have, no.
Not going into twitch.com, twitch.com. It would be hard. Now you're a hater. Now you doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's hot as hell.
Okay, it is currently 9:26 p.m. I did almost everything I wanted to do today, except nap, as you guys could have figured. I feel like this is where I'm gonna wrap the video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I'm not gonna strive for perfection. I'm just gonna strive for just getting in a better habit of making videos and getting in a groove. But yeah, so it was a really nice reset day. I feel like I need to do this more often, and I think I used to do this all the time, but I think I'm truly gonna make Sundays like no plans. Like I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not, except church, possibly brunch, post-church brunch occasionally. But other than that, I'm gonna make Sundays my no people days, my no nothing. I'm just gonna use it as truly a day of rest. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Expect more, and I will see you all in the next one.